casino dice, Las Vegas dice, high precision dice, loaded for 7-Eleven with remote control and extension in the shoes for the toe switches to play 7-Eleven to make the point, not to bring 7. So with this remote control, we can control with high precision to make the point. So let's start. These are the dice. And now we start. Have a look. Random, without pressing the remote control, we have a 4. One more time random. 11. And now we will press the remote control. So we try to make the point. Have a look. We press A. The point is a 3. 2, 1. Now we will shut again the dice until we make a 3. 3. So we bring the point. Never 7. Now we try with B. These are the 9, 16-inch dice. Means the 20mm dice, Las Vegas dice. B. So we have a 6. The point is a 6. Again, until we make the 6. We press B until we make 6. We have a 10. Seven. Error. Lose the money. One more time. We have the point 5, 3. The point is an 8. Five. Long drop. 6 until we get the 8. 4. 10. And we have an 8, 4, 4. So this is for 7-Eleven on a big table. You can put this system in a big table. The size of this tray is 1 meter by 1 meter. This means like active area 3 feet by 3 feet, means 9 feet square. It's very large and it can be integrated in any regular table like less than 1 inch. The electronic is ultra slim. It can be fit in any kind of table, a pool table, a craps table. You can put this electronic in the floor and you can activate the remote control from, let's say, 100, 200 meters away. It's radio, or you can use toe switches. In these shoes you make one time pressing A. In these shoes you make one time pressing B. So from the shoes with the extension you can make A and B with 2 remote controls. We can customize for you the shape of the electronic. It can be square, it can be rectangular, it can be round, it can be half moon, it can be close U shape. If you want to put in a poker table, we can customize exactly like you wish. But just imagine that John and Mike play CeeLo over there, and one time you bet on John, one time you bet on Mike. If you have a large electronic that you can control any kind of dice, casino dice, 9/16 means 20 millimeters, or 5/8 inch dice means 16 millimeters, or the baby dice like Lil Baby. With this electronic you can bet from the side betting, never touch the dice, never need to be involved in the game. This is the best system that you can use in CELO, 7-Eleven, but also you can do it in Barbut, European game.